Hey guys, I have something to share with you guys. I got a 2014 Boxer. I really wanted to share this because as you can see this guy here, it's really crazy to know what is going on. That's why I said maybe I should share the video with you guys, try to figure it out what is going on. You can see here there is really a mighty puddle of oil. Engine oil is right on the top of it. I really don't understand how oil could so much on the top here if the block is not cracked. Yeah, so as I was saying, here we have the block really. So I have no clue what is happening here, but I just said I should share this. Maybe you might meet something like this one day, or you might, have any idea where this oil is coming from. Other than that, when you check the cylinder here, the head cylinder on the left side of the engine really doesn't look like it's have any leak anywhere on the gasket, but the oil, it's mainly in the middle here, the middle. Yeah, trying to figure it out. Shitty Boxer. It's amazing in this vehicle. It's crazy.